A head-to-head battle here. Front-wheel drive. B2. Quarter marshals are ready. The drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. Oh man, and Gonzo taking a bobble. He took Josh with him. And then Josh just tosses it right into the corner. So Gonzo back out in front. Oh. Okay. Jordan, make sure you're out here marshalling, please. Even though we only have 2 cars, we need everybody present out here to marshal. Uh-oh, it sounds like body tuck. That thing is just one Hello Kitty sticker shy of having the correct livery. Gonzo out in front, down the backstretch. Oh man, stop and go for the leader. This is our Ricky Bobby battle right here, being first or last. Quivering pink, okay. Oh boy. All right, 4 minutes left to go here. Gonzo out in front by 1.4. Across the start-finish line. I think Gonzo's battled adversity more than anybody else this weekend. He had to drive all the way back to San Jose to get a different radio when he arrived the first day. All right, enough storytelling. There he is across the start-finish line. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go. Got 3:30 left here. 1:30 in, 3:30 left. And our race leader, Gonzo, creeping around those corners, coming across the start-finish line, 15.3. Josh just hit his hot lap, 16.1. Backed it up with 17.8.
You and Brandon got into it early.
All right, we got 2 down, and 3 to go. Got 2 down, 3 to go. Gonzo out in front like 4.8 over Josh. Josh just hit his hot lap, 15.2.
We like to drag race.
Getting ready for race number 32, GT12R B2. $230 down and $230 left to go. Got $230 down, $230 left. At least some like Karopi headlights or something. Or what's the store? Danso? You have the big Danso sticker on the side there. Like Mr. Bubble. Josh is one of those guys that drives worse when I make him laugh. I'm going to stop. Gonzo out in front by 8.4. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go, guys. 1:30 left. 19 and a 5:08 for Gonzo. Hayden in the second spot, 18 and a 5:04. John Gonzalez down the backstretch, 19 and a 5:07 pace now with just over 1 minute left to go.
Hey, I like the containers, dude. Right?
Race number 32 is coming up next, guys. Race number 33, start head to 10. Seconds left to go. Gonzo 15.6 the last time by. Hayden 16.9. It's going to be a 13-second lead here for Gonzo. 15.2 hitting the hot lap late in this one for Gonzo on lap number 17. He's working on lap number 18 right now. You didn't want to break, but you stopped in the worst place. 5 seconds left to go. Gonzo out in front, Josh in second. To finish first you must finish. White flag is out when you cross the start-finish line. You'll be done. Gonzo, you're done with first. And Josh, you're done with second. That is a race, guys. Stick around for your hardware a little later on today.